This is Steve Liebenthal with the Idaho News 6 forecast.
Well, after temperatures hitting the mid and even upper 90s around midweek, coming close to records in a few places, temperatures starting to cool now, and this is just the beginning of a major cool down coming our way over the next 48 hours. We are starting to see some showers developing, especially along the northern Nevada border. That area in pink you see there is a fire weather warning that's set to expire at 7 o'clock this evening, but you can see why. Warm and dry conditions, thunderstorms, and strong winds could lead to some fires right around the jackpot area. If you're headed in that direction this evening, be prepared for some showers and some noise from the sky. You see the clouds rolling into most of the state right now, but really the showers confined to the east central mountains, the Clearwater Mountains, and extreme southern Idaho right along that Nevada border. Watch what happens over the next 24 to 48 hours as this area of low pressure that's moving in just spins its wheels overhead. We're looking at temperatures for 5 o'clock on Monday afternoon, and it's only 61 in Boise, 51 in McCall. Look at the heavy rain to the north of McCall. That is the reason for that aerial flood watch that's in effect until Wednesday. McCall potentially getting an inch of rain through Monday. You see the shades of purple to the north and east of there. That's a potential of 1.5 to 2.5 inches of rain. And again, this time of year when that happens, especially with snow still at higher elevations, that could lead to some flooding. Those rivers will definitely be on the rise. You see almost 9/10 of an inch in Boise. And speaking of snow, we could see snow in some mountain locations above 7,000 to 7,500 feet with cool air coming in with this storm. 84 so far this afternoon in Boise, 88 the high so far in Ontario. Those will probably stand, but could go up a degree or two. Cooler than yesterday by 8 degrees in Boise, 9 degrees cooler in McCall than it was at this time yesterday, 13 degrees cooler in Burns. And again, our weather coming from the northwest, so cooler weather definitely on the way, but a nice day on Payette Lake if you don't mind some afternoon clouds and a bit of a breeze. There's some chop on the lake at this point. Look at tomorrow with those showers and a good chance of afternoon thunderstorms, 80% chance of precipitation both tomorrow and Monday, and a 60% chance on Tuesday. So yes, it's going to get wet. You got to watch those streams. And just watch out for flooding. And even on roadways like near the Salmon River, that little Salmon River can come right up to the road going into Riggin. And there you saw the showers in the east central mountains, the cold front approaching. You see the cool air coming in behind it. And I say cool, but for this time of year, I would tend to call it cold because it's going to be a major cool down from the mid 90s that we had on Wednesday. Some morning clouds here around the valley, could see an early morning shower, and we may see a thunderstorm develop over the nearby mountains that could affect the valley. Morning showers in the west central mountains, excuse me, and then those thunderstorms flaring up in the afternoon, only up to 56 degrees tomorrow in McCall. East Central Mountains, clouds rolling in, some showers possible, especially in the afternoon. And you could see a thunderstorm, and again, snow possible above 7,000 feet. Rain for the Magic Valley and thunderstorms possible as well. It will be a breezy day with those winds out of the west at 10 to 20 miles per hour, gusting stronger at times. 67 for Boise tomorrow, that 20% chance of showers. Monday, the stormy day here in the valley, only up to 64. We start to warm up on Tuesday. The latter part of the week looking really nice. Wednesday, a nice day at 77. We get back to the 80s on Thursday, and then next weekend, mid to upper 80s. So a nice 4th of July weekend coming up.
All right, thank you, Steve.